Here now with Jim Johnston. He is the Executive Vice President for Kaplan Industries. Jim, what are some of the things that a distributor would typically buy from Kaplan?
Well, it's a wide variety of products. It could be high-pressure cylinders, it could be acetylene cylinders, aluminum cylinders, and we're now offering the butane for solvents.
Okay. Aside from just the products, talk about the value that you guys bring. You've been around a long time, you know about your stuff. Talk about the value.
Value is in relationships. We've developed over the years relationships that continue for 20, 30, and 40 years. And that's key. You know, to have a relationship means you can work through problems. And in anybody's operation, anywhere around the world, communication is key.
Understood. And so, you know, people do know Kaplan pretty well. With the people, even the ones that do business with you guys, if you could point to even just one thing that maybe they don't know about you, what would you say?
I don't think most people realize how big we actually are. You know, we're on a 16-acre site, multiple buildings, close to 100 employees. It's not a mom and pop shop anymore. You know, there was a time when we were 1 block in New Jersey, and now we're on 16 acres in Ohio.
I did not know that. So I have seen the construction pictures. How's the construction going, and what's the plan there? What are you going to do with that?
Well, in order to have enough cylinders to get to a point where it can be just in time again, we've had to build another storage building. It's about 12,000 square feet, and it's adjacent to our production area, and it will give us the opportunity to keep cylinders warm in the winter and dry in the summer.
All right. How about any last thoughts that you have? You know, anything that you want to say to the distributors that couldn't make it here to Philly? If they were to be watching this, what would you say to them?
Well, I think it's critical that things are getting better. And I think we have to have the kind of attitude that says, you know what, we went over a bump and we're getting back to normal.
Excellent. Well, I want to thank you guys. You guys are always very generous with us. You do a lot of advertising and a lot of good stuff. Me and Bud have great relationships, so I wouldn't want to pass this by without saying thank you to you, the Kaplans, to Bud, for all the generosity throughout the years. It's always great to see you guys at the show, and you guys are always rolling deep.
Thank you very much.
All right.